Colby the Dream Typewriter. On a quiet windowsill above Maple Street sat Colby, a vintage typewriter with a whisper like tick-tock rain. By moonlight, his kind clacking keys tapped lullabies and ribbon ink flowed into gentle stories. During the day, he napped under a dust cover like a blanket. Night was his favorite hour, when the stars leaned close to listen. Colby didn't shout like computers. He breathed tales softly so sleepy hearts could hear without waking. He dreamed of helping someone find rest and wondered who might need a bedtime friend. One breezy evening, a window clicked open, and a girl named Mira peeked in with her yawning puppy Doodle. "I can't sleep," she whispered. "My thoughts are too wiggly." Behind her toddled Theo in astronaut pajamas, and Button the cat padded along, tail like a question mark. Outside, a moth named Lantern tapped the glass, drawn by the glow. Colby's keys tingled. He invited them near and listened, which is the bravest kind of magic. "Tell me your worries," he whispered, "and I will type you dreams to carry you to rest." Colby's carriage slid like a moonbeam. Tap, tap, tick-tock. For Mira, he typed a meadow of pillows where worries rolled into daisies. For Theo, he wrote a kite made of constellations and a dragon who drank cocoa and snored comets. For Button, he dreamed of warm rooftops and mice who hosted tea. For Lantern, he crafted lamplight tunnels to a leaf bed. The pages fluttered up like moths themselves and melted into the night. One by one, eyelids fell gently shut, carried by stories soft as feathered boats. Then came a rumbly, thunder-thick night. Raindrops drummed, and new friends arrived. Mrs. Juniper with a fussy baby, Mr. Chen from the bakery, and 3 anxious robins. Colby tried to help them all at once. His ribbon thinned, his whisper rasped. Keys stuck like yawns that wouldn't finish. "Oh dear," he breathed. "I can't do everything alone." He tapped faster, but the noise made the baby cry and the robins flutter. Colby paused, listening to the rain, and remembered, even moonlight shares the sky with stars. Mira fetched a tiny bottle of sewing machine oil and dabbed each key. Theo brought fresh ribbon, comet dark and twinkly. Button curled on the spacebar, purring a steady metronome. Lantern warmed the letters with golden light. "Let's do this together," Mira said. They took turns reading Colby's stories softly, like oars dipping. The baby sighed. The robins tucked their heads. Mr. Chen's worries rose like bread. Colby's whisper returned, smoother than rain on leaves. He learned that asking for help is a lullaby, too. From then on, Colby kept a dream library by the window. Baskets of typed adventures, shelves of quiet epilogues, and a sign that read, "Borrow a dream, return with a smile." He wrote when the moon rose and rested when dawn yawned pink. Friends came not only to sleep, but to listen and to help. Kindness, it turned out, was the softest blanket. And Colby, the whispering typewriter, lived happily ever after, his keys humming this truth: when we share our light, everyone sleeps easier.